This is your first look of the Exuma floor plan located in Valencia Harbor here in Fort Myers. The Exuma is in the Shoreline Collection, which is in the smallest collection of everything that is offered here at Valencia Harbor. This floor plan offers 2 bedrooms, a den, 2 bathrooms, and 1,844 square feet. Enjoy the tour. Hope you enjoyed this tour of the Exuma floor plan. If you have questions about this floor plan or any others, feel free to give us a call.